Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is another video of the Megaclock project, and I really recommend you, if you're new to the project, watch the first video because I will give you an overall introduction. And now in this video I show you all the woodwork. It's the number plate, the pointers and the pole.
For the pole I used a piece of yew tree and I used my jointer to flatten it on 4 sides. Here over this little cap the power cord comes in, and underneath I make a little groove so that I have some space for the wiring.
So for the arrows of the clock I will use some oak wood I have left over. It's about 10 millimeters thick, and to cut the shape out I have here a template from my construction. I printed it 1:1, and I glued it on so I have a template for the bandsaw. I will double up the wood here in this area, but this I make by cutting out a round piece with a hole cutter, so then it's thicker there for the exile and fits better.
For the wooden ring, which is the number plate later on, I used some birch wood I had laying around and I cut it into stripes. I tried to make it as accurate as possible, but as you can see here, I'm still out maybe not even 1 degree, but over 24 cuts, the failure rates up you have on your circular saw. So I tried to adjust my saw a little bit and recut all of the pieces to see if I can come out better than that. Then in the end, after the second cut, I still getting it very accurate. It was quite good, but as I said, the failure rate's up. It's really difficult to make it perfect. So I ended up cutting the last piece just that it fits. So I really figured out that this is a very difficult task to get a circle really circular. If you have a better option to do that, please tell me. I'm happy for every hint.
The number plate, it consists out of 12 pieces, and to see when it's like 6 or 12 o'clock I use a kind of more colored wood I have. This is like from Colombia. This as well, this is like purple, this is more reddish. So the red one will be like 6, 12, 3 and 9 o'clock, and for the other ones I use this purple, like for the hours in between, and this will be like small slides that you can see. So at first I have to like plane this side, and then I cut it on the circular saw to little stripes.